Hello, traders. I hope, guys, you had a wonderful week. Today is the last trading day of the week and 2nd of June, Friday, Blessing Friday. And as you have seen, I haven't broadcasted my analysis the whole week because I'm in Dubai and setting up my office and enjoying hot weather, guys, but also enjoying trading. And most of my traders bank amazing profit this week. Actually, they made amazing profit the whole May. And I would just want to share with you just a quick this week of analysis review. And I'm going to show you how I start my day and how I analyze for my traders and how they're banking amazing profit. Right. So, first of all, before we start our trading day, we look at the dollar index, trying to find out what's happening with the dollar. Based on that, we trade majors and then we look at the opportunities measured accordingly. So dollar index, this is what we did this beginning of the week. Once the price developed head and shoulder pattern, we explained the dollar is going to be weak here, then more likely all the other measures probably going to be a long. So we had a yesterday long short trade, short basically dollar weaknesses, and we had an amazing long trade all the majors. So we also had let me take you to the Euro USD first. And if you look at here, we had this short trade here this week at the beginning, and then afterwards, once the price develop a false breakout, price break and retest give us the confirmation. So we've been long from here. We really enjoyed yesterday. That was amazing trade, guys. Bank amazing profit, and we've been short here after the non-farm pair news. After the news, let me share with you guys the intraday analysis, how we analyze and bank amazing profit. And if you look at the Euro USD, and if you look at the all my analysis of the week, we had such amazing trade. So you can see here we had a long trade here, then short trade being an intraday, and all these trades are being explained why we are opportunities. We have all these. Once the price developed false breakout, break this level, we explain each and everything. Seeing, you can see here short trade here, bank amazing profit, look for another pullback, and we continuously following the market and broadcasting this market structure and the opportunities. From there, we had a long trade here, another long here, and then you can see here we have again explained keep taking a long trade. And you can see here we had such a nice beautiful long trade, and this one is a counter short trade here. This was the last trade of the day. We have beautiful short trade here. So you can see, guys, we really enjoyed on Euro USD. And let me share with you the pound dollar. So if you look at the pound dollar, and that was a beautiful beginning of the week. We had this short trade. Once the price developed bearish engulfing candle, bank amazing profit short. And then later on, once the price respect this previous high, reverse, and that we had a long trade here even yesterday. Once the price respected, as you can see here, we had a long trade here, bank amazing profit this morning. When the price developed double top here, we have this bearish engulfing candle. We also had a short trade here. So let me explain to you how I analyze the entries. That's the key important thing, is just not just broadcasting high time frame analysis. We've been expecting a long trade here, and the reason why on cable, if you look at here, we have the early sign of the falling wedge. We have this false breakout. That's the high probability of reversal that we had really enjoyed it bigger. Being an intraday trader, we also have taken the short trade here. Any opportunity intraday, we also have the utilize it, bank amazing profit. Let me share with you guys the whole week of analysis of the pound dollar. So if you look at the pound dollar, the whole week of analysis, and if you look at the beginning, you can see that was the long trade here, afterwards the short trade here, then long, that was the beautiful. And again, we always give the reason. Is not just about broadcasting analysis. We explain this trader, look, the price broken false breakout. If the price can retest and break the structure which price nicely broken, you can see it, and retest at this level, and that was a beautiful. Let me explain to you guys a little bit extra, so at least you understand what I'm talking about. But this explanation we give every day with the traders. We just don't just explain the breakout, we explain why we looking this breakout opportunity as explained here. So you can see here, this is the level which is price broken, and as explained, if the price gonna break and retest, then long, but the safest trade, let the market break this level, which we explain. As you can see here, market nicely broken, and beautiful long trade here, and most of the traders have really enjoyed it, this trade. Okay, so again, as always, once the price develop long based on the 4 hour, we had this opportunity. As explained, my trader just keep taking a pullbacks, beautiful pullback. And once we bank some profit, and this is again second day, that's what I explained to my trader. This is what, again pure price actions, nothing else. Based on that, you can see here price nicely developed short trade here. Then again, when the price was at this level, that was the again beautiful breakout, keep taking, enjoying short trade here. And then another one when the price developed sort of like a correction, we explained my trader look for, there was the news, beautiful breakout long trade here. And afterwards price came back here again, we explain all this price action, beautiful pullback long trade here. Then this was another counter short trade here. Now what we explain easily, pretty straightforward, that if the price develop, if you look at here, we have already explained this thing through live audio commentary. The price develop in head and shoulder pattern, high probability might gonna break out. As you can see here, price nicely broken and bank amazing profit. So after this one, as you can see here, that's what I explained. If the price gonna develop pullback, look short. Otherwise, after the breakout, take a break and retest. Then that gives you confirmation. Then long. And if you look at here, pretty straightforward. Let me make it slightly bigger so you can see. Okay, so you can see here the price nicely broken, and after this breakout, without you changing the color of candlestick, price nicely retest. We give all these small details to all our traders. That's the high probability, and afterwards, price broken this one, and then explain. Look here, price broken and retest. We give this all this information. Beautiful long trade here, bank amazing profit. And afterwards you can see here, as explained, trader look for another, this is the pattern breakout, beautiful breakout and long trade here. Then afterwards, as explained, my trader look for pullback, because once the price broken, this is again purely price action, guys. We said if the price is going to develop pullback, that's the high probability trade. Let's say if the price is going to break downside, then we're looking here short trade only if the price is going to give us the confirmation. But if you look ahead, the price nicely develop another pullback as mentioned here based on the analysis, and you can see here another pullback, beautiful long trade, bank amazing profit. That was a beautiful trade, guys. Afterwards, pretty straightforward as explained. Keep taking a pullback. Based on that, beautiful pullback, bank amazing profit. After banking some profit, as you can see here, let the market develop a structure. After the news, this was the today, guys. Beautiful breakout short trade here. After banking some profit, price came back. I say, guys, let this dust settle down. And afterwards, as explained to trader in detail about the price action, as you can see here, this is the level. And explain if the market is going to break, then the continue. If the market is going to break, because we have this false breakout, we have this one breakout, this one. So let the market come out this structure, which is you can see here, price nicely broken after the breakout, even the price broken. And as explained, my trader now keep enjoying a short trade here. So you can see, guys, we analyze the end, bias, define the bias and trend in 4 hour, and then we look at in intraday. And that's why if you look at the pound dollar, and you can see on the right hand side, we have the 4 hour, which help us to instantly look at what sort of price action is developing a high time frame. On the left hand side, we have our own customized amazing trading system, which allow us to find the very specific and good entries, so that help us to basically find high probability trade. So dollar CAD. All right, so dollar CAD, let me share with you how I analyze in trading view. That's what exactly you can see. That was a pretty straightforward. We beginning of the month, beginning of the week, we had a long trade. Once the price developed up top here, we look at the price action. If you find any entry that we've been short here, even this time, as explained, if the price gonna break this level, look for long, otherwise short trade here. You can see here candle is developed, bearish engulfing candle. We had such a nice beautiful short trade. We really enjoyed it, guys. Let me explain to you how I analyze the entries. That's the key important part of it in trading. And if you look at the whole week of my analysis, we've been short, long. At the beginning, you can see a short trade here. That was a short trade here again. That was another beautiful short trade here. Explain my trader all this price action, and afterwards long trade here. And then we have this beautiful long trade, beautiful. And we had another, as explained, my trader look for pullback, which we announced through live documentary. And then this was the short trade here. Afterwards, you can see here the price developed this structure, and we look at in the 4 hour. And the best and safest trade is, as you can see here, price broken here. And after this breakout price retest give us the confirmation. That was a beautiful short trade here. From there, as you can see, another short trade here, bank amazing profit. And then again we had another beautiful analysis short trade here. And then afterwards, as you can see here, just before the news, you can see a look for pullback. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback, another pullback, beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. Even after that, as I explained last night, look for pullback short, first priority. We're only going to take a long when the market is going to break previous highs. So we have another beautiful short trade, bank amazing profit. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this analysis. As mentioned, that you can enjoy all these 12 major currency pair, including gold, guys. As you can see here, including gold, if you want it through live intraday analysis in real time. And most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. If you are still struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where we train people, and with the live market through live intraday analysis. And once they show us performance, they are making good performing very good, we also help them to get funded. So for more information, I'm offering free one-to-one consultation. My availability calendar link is given in the video description. So most welcome, join our fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening and have a nice weekend, guys. Until next time, all the best.